Hi there, today I will show you how to render static files and images in NestJS. So let's dive in without any time wasting. First of all, we will create a new Nest project. So that's why, because I will show you all the steps that will make you reach your goal. First of all, okay, let's create a new project using nest new command, nest new static files. Okay, app or app, yes. In my case, I will use yarn, but after that I will use bun because I am a fan of bun package manager, which is really fast and it will serve you in a couple of seconds. Let's go to this project, cd static, and let's open VS Code. Code. First of all, we will launch the project to see if the project is running without any problem. Okay, clear. Yarn start dev. Control C. Okay, I just run this because I want to see the changes immediately without restarting the server. Let's see. So the application is running currently in the port 3000. Okay, let's see. Localhost 3000. Okay, I just made a mistake. See. Okay. Okay, hello world. As you can see, it's working. For this tutorial, we need to install the new package, or the package that we will use to render static files, because if I just create, I don't know, a new directory uploads, and inside this uploads, let's create an index.html, and I will render div hello my brother. Okay, and if I just go to uploads, so you will see the message cannot get uploads. But the solution is to, first of all, let's install yarn add okay, NestJS serve static. This package will make the static files can be rendered to or in publicly in our project. Clear. Go to app module, and in the import, let's import the ServeStatic module for root, and root path, which is join and process .cwd, which is the current directory, and add the path to the uploads directory. that we have created earlier. And there is more options we can add in this serve static module, like, I don't know, root path, serve root, which is, I don't know, this serve root is to name the endpoint that you will access, or that you want to access with it the public directory uploads. In this example, I will just remain the same name, uploads, and there is no more options or serve options. And here, like you see, you can add index to false, and index to false means that any index.html inside this uploads will not be, or will not automatically be rendered when we access the uploads like this. So this is will I don't know, will prevent that. But if we just make it like this and go here and refresh, you will see home project uploads. Okay, I just made a mistake here. So it's not the parent of the parent, it's just the parent. And like you see, hello my brother. But if you do this, you will see the index.html written over here. Okay, index, like you see. Okay, now let's see if images are also can be accessed from the public, or can be accessed statically. So here I just add an image in the uploads directory in the root folder of the project. As you can see, it's the moon, and I will see if it can be rendered. So let's go to here and write down moon.jpg. Okay, and here the moon image is rendered successfully. So that's it for today's video. I wish you have learned the main point. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. See you in the next video.